my loves, welcome to my channel. So here we are, we're going to unboxing my newest bag from Charles and Keith. So I want to introduce to you guys my newest bag from my beloved colleagues. They gave it to me on my birthday. It's a birthday gift. So actually, they know that I really like bags. I really like shoes. I also have, I'm using Charles and Keith as well. That's why they know that. So here we are. So I just want to show you my newest one, and I will show you some of my collection of the bag from Charles and Keith as well. So let's check. Actually, I opened it already. This is the plastic. I haven't used this one, so ta-da! So I really like this bag. It's really simple. It's like it's not so big, it's not so small as well, so it's a medium size. So as you can see, the color is nude. I really like the color. It can fit any kind of outfit. So I like nude color, I like black, of course pink. I'm a girly person. So let's check it out. Inside of this bag, I really like this bag because it's a gold. I like golds. So as you can see, you can just open this. Let's check it out inside of it. Okay, I will just remove this so you can see the whole design of the bag. I really like it because it's kinda, of course it's not real leather, but it's really nice, especially the color. It's matched the gold, the color of the black, and it's still, I haven't opened this area. It's still same color as nude color. So let's check it out. Inside of it, of course, there's a lot of things inside, and this one have a sling. So they have free pouch from the Charles and Keith. So as you can see inside of it, they have a one compartment, second compartment, and they have a third compartment, just a small one. Three compartment. That's why I really love compartment in a bag, because I'm kind of messy. So I really like to have to organize my small things like makeups and some of my jewelry. So kind of my lipstick, phone. So in this bag, I really like it because especially here, three compartment. It means you can put in the first compartment, you can put your phone and your wallets, and the second one you could put your makeup, and they have zipper. Another compartment like a zipper one, you can put your ATM or your cash here, just anything, small things. And another thing is I have another space for the third compartment. So it's really nice. It's really, if you want to go out like ladies night, you can wear this because it's not really small, it's not also really big, so it's just really fit all the things that you need for the whole day. I haven't used this one because I have a lot of bags, so maybe I will try it next year to use this thing, or maybe some of events that but I really like this. I want to show you the sling. So, and the sling is just normal. So, I want to have some demo. So, before I don't like sling bags, so just recently I realized that it's really, I want a sling bag with handy bag. So this bag is, you can be handbag and at the same time a sling bag. So when you go to work, it's dual purpose, so you can do it handy bag and sling bag. So it's really nice, right? And I think the price is around, because I bought this in Singapore, so it's around $79. So it's not so cheap, but it's not so expensive because of the quality of the bag. And I know some of their bag, I'm using it for almost a year now, or 2 years, and it's still okay. Everything is fine. Even the weather here in Singapore, it's kind of crazy thing, like it's raining today and tomorrow it's so sunny. So it's really fit in this weather here, and it's really nice also the design. As you can see, the quality, the texture, and very modern one. So this is okay. I won't say that this is my favorite, but it's kinda, I really like this one also for my collection. So let's go for my second favorite bag from Charles & Keith. Okay, this is one of my favorite bags, so I almost use it almost a year already. So this is contrast color from my previous bag, which is color black. I really like this bag because it's really big. I'm into big bag because I have a lot of things. I have a lot of makeups and some other things that I don't need, but I'm still carrying it all the way, the whole day. So it's really nice, this color and texture as well. Like it's a Hermes bag, but it's not exactly the same. But this bag, I bought it before because one of my friends also have this bag, and it's really nice because it's really big and also have a 3 compartment. I really like their bag because it's have a 3 compartments. So this is the first compartment, and then they have a second one with zipper one, and they have the magnetic third. So it's really big, so it's really easy to carry as well. They have a handbag, and you can use it as a sling bag. So when I'm buying bags, I really like to convert it to handbag, and then you can have a choice that you can wear as a sling bag as well. So for me, it's really unique, the design. You can wear it any kind of color of your dress, any outfit. It's really matched to color of this bag because it's black, of course. And I've been using this for almost more than a year, and it still looks like new, as you can see. So, oh, I forgot. So yeah, this is one of my daily daily bags, what you call it. So this is also from Charles and Keith. We are matchy bag with my friend from Philippines. So that's why I bought this. This is around like 100 SGD. So before I bought it like 100 SGD. Now I think it's out of stock already. But they have some other color, as they also have a nude color and green, but I prefer the black. So black is good. Black is life. I don't know the quote. I forgot. So let me Google it. So here we are to my third collection of my bag. So it's also a Charles and Keith, guys. So I really love Charles and Keith here in Singapore. They have a lot of design. Usually it's not expensive. So I don't know, when I entered to that shop, it's like calling my name. It's like, look at me, I'm here. So here we are. This is my third collection of my bag. So this color is really good. Of course, I like gold. So the texture, it's like a Hermes bag. It's like a croc, like the texture of the Hermes. And then the matching color is also a gold. This is my small bag, so if I went out like with the girls or I went for a drink, so I'm always wearing this one. Drinks, guys, I'm drinking. So I mean, it's really small, like I'm into a big bag, but when I saw this one, it's really like, my gosh. So this is exemption of all the things that I want to put in the bag. So I really want this bag, even it's really small. So the only thing that you can put here is kinda your, of course, your phone. It's small, but it's okay. Like, have one compartment and some sling. You can another one small compartment here that you can put your wallet, and you can put your phone here inside of it, and you can put your perfume, just lipstick and sanitizer and some tissue, and what else, your charger. So it's really fit. Like, if you have one phone, I think it's just one or two, it can fit, as you can see, and you still have one tissue. So it's not too big, but it's really pretty. That's why I cannot stop myself buying this one. So it's also have a little pocket here, so you can put your card, just in case you're not carrying your wallet. So because if you're carrying wallet and we put here, I think it's not fit. So I really like this bag. So you can also use it as a shoulder bag, as you can see, and you can use it as a sling bag. So I really like it. So it's dual purpose, guys. So you can use it as a shoulder bag and as a sling as well. So that's why I love this bag. So I love the color as well. It's very unique. Like, I'm into a safe color, like black, nude, and then of course red is okay with bags. So red, and this color, it's like I don't know what's the color of this. I just have to check. I forgot it, and I'm still into this color. That's why I have I bought another one online. I actually bought this one in the store, so I knew you bought it online. The products of the Charles and Keith is still good, but of course it's better to buy it on the store, right? So you can check everything, you can check the size, especially it's really matter to me, the size. The sizes matter, guys. So I'm into I not I bought this one year ago, I think, but I often use it because it's really small. But if I have some event, I use it. And yeah, I have to sacrifice some things. I cannot carry all my things, like my all of my makeups, so I can just put one lipstick and one lip gloss, of course, and my phone, the most important things. So, and of course, if you're one perfume is enough. But guys, look at the color and the design. It's really cute, right? You can say no. So this is my part 1 of my Charles and Keith collection bag. So I will do the second part 2 of my collection of the Charles and Keith bag. And I tried to buy I have my favorite shoes from Charles and Keith as well, so I will just reveal on you on my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah, mwah. Bye bye. And I think this one, it costs like 65 or 69 SGD, so it's kind of the price is okay. It's not so cheap, it's not so expensive as well, so I think it's worth it for the quality of the bag and the design. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit the bell button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.